Another day, another book summary. Welcome back to Page Turner's Book Cafe, where we brew fresh ideas and serve up captivating reads. Today, we have an investment classic that has revolutionized the way we approach the stock market. It's time to dive into the little book of common sense investing by JohnCBogle. This book is a treasure trove of wisdom. Bogle masterfully combines research data to make investing accessible and understandable to everyone. So, if you're seeking financial stability and a roadmap to successful investing, this book is a must-read. Investing can be daunting, but fear not. Bogle's book is like a trusted guide, leading you toward a world of financial stability and sensible decision-making. It's all about embracing the power of simplicity and long-term thinking. So, let's explore the chapters that make this book a game changer. Chapter 1, Too Many Cooks. Bogle kicks off by unraveling the complexities of the financial industry. He exposes the conflicts of interest that plague the investment landscape, and how these can impact individual investors. Did you know that the average mutual fund charges fees that can eat away at your returns over time? Bogle urges us to stay vigilant and avoid unnecessary costs. Chapter 2, Shadows and the Light. Here, Bogle delves into the significance of understanding market trends and historical context. He shares research data that reveals the cyclical nature of the stock market. Did you know that market speculation often leads to irrational exuberance, causing unsustainable bubbles? Bogle teaches us to navigate through the shadows of the market and focus on long-term goals. Chapter 3, Rational Exuberance. Bogle continues to demystify market behavior, shedding light on the dangers of chasing short-term gains. He highlights the importance of investing for the long haul, rather than succumbing to the temptations of market timing and speculation. Research shows that individual investors who frequently trade tend to underperform the market. Bogle urges us to stay rational and avoid falling into the trap of exuberance. Chapter 4, The Grand Illusion. Have you ever dreamed of beating the market consistently? Bogle breaks the illusion and presents compelling evidence that most investors fail to do so over the long run. He emphasizes the futility of trying to outsmart the collective wisdom of the market. The majority of actively managed mutual funds underperform the broader market indices. Bogle encourages us to focus on broad-based index funds for consistent returns. Chapter 5, Taxes or Costs, 2. In this chapter, Bogle unveils the impact of taxes on investment returns. He provides practical tips to minimize tax liabilities and maximize our gains. Taxes can erode a significant portion of your returns, especially if you're not mindful of tax-efficient strategies. Bogle equips us with the knowledge to make smarter investment decisions while considering the tax consequences. Chapter 6, The Relentless Rules of Humble Arithmetic. Brace yourselves for some powerful math. Bogle dives into the magic of compounding returns and the incredible impact they can have on your investments. He emphasizes the importance of keeping costs low and letting time work in your favor. Did you know that even seemingly small differences in expense ratios can significantly affect your long-term returns? Bogle empowers us to harness the power of humble arithmetic to build wealth steadily. Chapter 7, Stock Valuation and Indexing. How do you determine if a stock is overvalued or undervalued? Bogle unravels the world of stock valuation and explains how it relates to index investing. He shares research data that sheds light on the difficulty of consistently picking winning stocks. Even professional fund managers often struggle to outperform the market due to the efficient pricing of stocks. Bogle advocates for the simplicity and efficiency of index funds. Chapter 8, The Exchange-Traded Fund. Ever wondered about the rise of exchange-traded funds, ETFs? Bogle explores the history and benefits of ETFs, which have gained popularity in recent years. He highlights their low costs, diversification, and ease of trading. ETFs offer investors the opportunity to invest in a wide range of assets, from stocks to bonds to commodities. Bogle reveals how ETFs align perfectly with his philosophy of passive, low-cost investing. Chapter 9, How most investors turn a winner's game into a loser's game. It's time to uncover the common mistakes that investors often make, turning what could be a winning game into a losing one. Bogle addresses behavioral biases, market timing, and the dangers of following the herd. Studies consistently show that individual investors tend to buy high and sell low, significantly underperforming the market. Bogle shares insights to help us avoid these pitfalls and stay on the path to success. Chapter 10: Owning the Market versus Beating the Market. We've reached the final chapter. Bogle reinforces his core principles and helps us understand the crucial difference between owning the market and beating the market. He encourages us to focus on building a diversified portfolio that captures the returns of the entire market, rather than attempting to outperform it. Over the long run, the majority of active fund managers fail to consistently beat the market indices. Bogle provides a compelling case for embracing a simple and disciplined investment approach. And that's a wrap. The Little Book of Common Sense Investing is a treasure trove of wisdom, backed by research data and practical advice. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your journey, this book will equip you with the knowledge and mindset for successful investing. Thanks for joining us at Page Turner's Book Cafe. Remember, when it comes to investing, common sense is not so common. So, grab your copy of The Little Book of Common Sense Investing, sip on your favorite brew, and embark on a journey toward financial freedom. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.